How many times do I have to tell you? It is not just the government. It is the Cicadians and the Bilderbergs and the Illuminati and corporations. Why do you think Facebook and Twitter are free? Because we're the product. Yeah.
Here are the answers about the film Unfriended Dark Web. 1. Make an introduction about the film. Title, director, characters, synopsis. Unfriended Dark Web is a 2018 American found footage horror film directed by Stephen Susko. The film follows a group of friends who stumble upon a mysterious laptop containing disturbing content from the dark web. The main characters include Matthias, and owner of the laptop, his deaf girlfriend Amaya, and their friends Damon, Lex, Serena, and AJ. The synopsis revolves around the friends uncovering a sinister network of criminals and becoming targets of deadly online threats while trying to return the laptop to its original owner. 2. Are there any ICT trends discussed in the film? If so, please elaborate. Yes, the film discussed several ICT trends, including the dark web, cryptocurrency, hacking, and sophisticated surveillance technologies. The dark web is portrayed as a hidden part of the internet used for illegal activities, while cryptocurrency is used to facilitate anonymous transactions. Hacking is shown as a means to access personal information and manipulate events, and surveillance technologies are used to monitor and control the characters. Number 3. Are there any internet threats shown in the film? If yes, please elaborate. Yes, the film depicts numerous internet threats, these including hacking, doxing, revealing someone's personal information online, cyberbullying, online stalking, and the potential for real-world violence stemming from online activities. The character face threats